Once again, please consider we have two vectors, say A vector and B vector. Then the resultant vector will be the third side of triangle. To find out the value of R, draw perpendicular from point C which meet AB on produce at point P. So we have a right angle triangle APC and another right angle triangle CBP. CB is inclined at an angle theta, whereas CA is inclined at an angle of beta. As per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of base and perpendicular square. So AC square is AP square plus BC square. AC is our resultant vector. AP is the sum of AB plus BP. So AB plus BP. Third is PC, that is perpendicular. Give it equation 1. In triangle CBP, CBP or CPB, we are to calculate CP and BP. First of all, CP or PC. CP or PC by BC is equal to sine theta. PC is BC sine theta by cross multiply. PC is B sine theta. BP upon BC is cos theta and BP is B cos theta. Using equation second and third, we will have R square. For AB, we have A vector. For BP, we have B cos theta. And for PC, we have B sin theta. So equation will be A vector plus B vector cos theta whole square plus B vector sin theta whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Combining these two equations, A square plus B square cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1 plus 2AB cos theta. So it is A square plus B square 2A dot B cos theta. Or R is equal to removing square and it will become square root. A square plus B square plus 2A dot B cos theta 1 by 2. Now the another part is to find out the direction. How to find out the direction? We know direction is always given by the slope. If we want to calculate the direction, we will have to find out the slope. I am solving over here. Please you keep it continue downward. Now slope is tan of beta, and tan of beta is perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is PC and base is AP. PC and AP. For PC, we have the value B sin theta. And for AP is AB plus BP. So AB is A vector plus BP is B cos theta. So this is the direction of resultant. Means in which direction the resultant vector will move. Please note it down. Student, this is most important topic. Numerical point of view. So please, if you have any kind of problem, please discuss it. Any doubt? Please discuss. Now in equation 1, we have R square, non-value, AB, non-value A, but BP and PC both are the unknown value. To find out BP and PC, we choose triangle CPB. CPB. In CPB, we have a given quantity CB. So by using this, we can easily find out BP and we can easily find out CP. So in triangle CPB, CP is or PC by BC is equal to sine theta. By cross multiply, PC is BC sine theta or PC is B sine theta. Similarly, BP is B cos theta. That is, now we have the value of unknown quantity PC and BP. PC as B sine theta and BP as B cos theta. After substituting this value, we will have equation as A vector plus B vector cos theta, sorry, whole square plus B vector sine theta whole square. Opening square A plus B whole square, A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sine square theta. Now combining these two equations, B square is common, cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. So it is 2 A vector dot B vector cos theta and A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Removing square and over here it will be square root. So it is 1 by 2. To find the direction, we will calculate the slope. Slope is tan of beta. Tan is always equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is PC or CP. Base is AP. And AP is AB plus BP. Substituting the value, we will get the direction of resultant vector. For me, please repeat it. And if still you have any problem, please discuss. Now I am sending you a video that show how much it is important, how much it is necessary to find out the value of resultant vector. There is a video in your WhatsApp group. Please go through it. Clear? Any problem?
No, sir.
Good.
No,
Aniket,
sir.
yes, sir. Anhad, Bhavya,
No doubt, sir.
Parmeet, Nitish is not there. Parmeet, you are clear with your doubt after equation 1? Okay, student, please repeat it. And tomorrow we will go with parallelogram, law of vector addition, and one more is there, and some numerical based on law of vector addition. So please go thoroughly and find out each and every step and discuss if you have any kind of problem.